Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is part of a video series where I'll tell you how you can convert a node computer into a crypto miner. Today we're taking a look into 3 free applications. The first one being Theta AIOZ Node, the second AIOZ Node, and the third, that's still in test, Koii Node. So let's get started by talking about the earnings. As you can see here, the AIOZ node is earning close to $3 at the moment. It pays out in the TFUEL token. The AIOZ node is only earning close to $1, and the Koii node, it's still in test phase, so you currently earn tokens that have no value. As always, I also include the monthly earnings if the coins were to hit the all-time high again, because in my opinion the best thing to do is holding the coins until the price goes up and then selling. But as always, this is not financial advice. First, let's talk about Theta AIOZ Node. Theta is a decentralized video streaming network that uses blockchain technology to improve video delivery and reduce costs. You, as a user, can run a node on your old computer. It's completely free, and you will share your bandwidth and your computer resources, and you will earn the TFUEL token. Currently, the TFUEL token is worth close to 10 cents. Some time ago, it was worth close to 60. So let's hope that in the next bull run, the price can increase again. In the description, I will leave a short setup guide for all these projects, so if you need help with anything, you can just check the description and click on the links. In the Theta documents, it says that the minimum is 16 GB of RAM and 4 cores, but I've been running this software in a lower end machine and it works just fine. Just expect the earnings to be lower if your machine is not as good as they recommend. The next project on the list is called AIOZ. AIOZ is a decentralized content delivery network that aims to transform the way content is delivered across the internet, and you can start running a node and turn your old computer into a crypto mining machine. Depending on your hardware, it can run GPU tasks, CPU tasks, it can also use your storage, and now more recently it can also do AI tasks. You can see here in the main website that they have close to 200,000 nodes. The last project on the list is called Koii. It's still very early, but as you can see in the main website, they already have over 70,000 nodes, and you can expect to earn close to 100 Koii per week. At the moment, that's not worth anything because, as I said before, it's still in test phase. Koii network is designed to make the internet a better place by creating a decentralized compute marketplace. Like the other projects, you can run it for free on your old computer and start earning a bit of passive income. If you need help with setting up any of these nodes, I recommend you to join the DePIN Central Discord. I will leave the link in the description. Here in my Discord server, you can learn a lot about many projects. You can see here that I have already added a lot of projects to the database, and in the future I will add a lot more. I also recently created a free income section where you can see all the apps that you can start running on Android or iOS and also on your computer to start earning passive income completely for free. I will leave the link in the description, so if you need help with anything, just join the Discord and leave me a message. So guys, as always, this was just a short video to let you know about these projects. I will leave the documents to all the projects in the description, and I always recommend you to do your own research. Next weekend I will also drop a video for the series on how to convert an old computer into a crypto miner, so if you want to stay up to date, just remember to subscribe. For today that was the video, I hope you all enjoyed, thanks for watching and goodbye.